If you want more control over your privacy on X, this video is going to show you exactly how to stop people from finding your account using your email address or phone number. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a little more privacy and less unwanted discovery. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides just like this. 1. Let's jump right in. First, sign in to your X account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and click More. This opens the full menu with all of X's extra settings and tools. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Now you're in the main settings area, where you can adjust how your account works and how people can interact with you. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This is the section where X keeps the options related to who can see your content, who can contact you, and how your profile can be discovered. Inside this menu, look for Discoverability and Contacts and click it. This is the part that controls whether other people can find your account using information like your email address or phone number. Now you'll see two important options. The first one says let people who have your email address find you on X. The second one says let people who have your phone number find you on X. If you want to allow people to find your account through either of those methods, leave the box checked. If you want to make it harder for people to discover your account this way, simply uncheck the box. For email discoverability, decide whether you want people who already know your email address to be able to connect that email to your X account. If your goal is more privacy, uncheck it. If you want easier discoverability for friends, contacts, or people you already know, you can keep it enabled. Then, do the same for phone number discoverability. If you don't want people searching through their contacts or phone number lists to find your profile, turn this off by unchecking the box. This is especially useful if you use your phone number for account security but do not want it helping others locate you on the platform. The best part is that these settings save automatically. You don't need to press a separate save button or confirm the change in another window. Once you've made your choice, you can simply exit the settings page and you're done. It's also important to understand what changes and what does not change when you disable discoverability. Turning these options off does not remove your followers, it does not delete your posts, and it does not hide your profile from everyone. What it does is stop people from finding your account specifically by using your email address or phone number. So if you're trying to keep your X account a little more private, this is one of the easiest settings to adjust. And if you ever want to reverse it later, just come back to the same menu and turn the boxes back on. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.